So, this is the Intech Explorer. This one is a 2021 model. I'm going to show you how to basically set this up. It's really fast, especially if you're not unhooking. So, this is your hard case tip out. And essentially you unlock it, what I did earlier, pull this latch back, push that off to the side. Same thing here. Unlock, pull the latch back here, and pull the handle up. That is pretty much tip out. Super easy. And then go ahead and pull the vinyl down. Tight right now.
I mean, it's a little cold out.
Yeah.
So for those of you wondering, it's about 30 degrees outside right now. So that vinyl's gonna be a little tight. So
And then from here, you would go in the inside. Let me see how much junk I have in here.
so you got the option. So you can either go in this back door or the side door.
I'll just go in the back door to keep this simple. And it's the same locking mechanism. Super easy. Just unlock. Hopefully nothing falls out. And it comes down. It's like soft. It's a soft open, I guess.
So you got the ramp for the toy hauler side. You got the ramp there. It's not steep at all. I did notice coming out here, it tracks about a tire width wider than your Jeep.
Yeah.
So it's just barely wider though.
Not too bad, man.
So and everything zips back into that pouch there when it's closed.
So got my sheet, my pillow, everything's in here already. I can keep the storage here. And you connect that. Push that up there. Lock it in between those two buttons. And now it's all set up. And that's pretty much the whole setup, other than putting down your stabilizer jack. That's it.
And then I know you found an option for a cover for that too, for the real cold weather. I don't know if you need it tonight. It's not gonna be that cold tonight, but. What was the company that put that thing out? Do you remember? We'll find it. It's on it.
Gekko.
Gekko. Okay, Gekko, yeah.
Gekko. And you actually see I'm like one of the, I think I'm the first Explorer that actually has one that's posted on their website. So, like one of the first ones. They're a Canadian company. And,
And that just kind of fits over. We don't need to put it on for this right now. Because while we got some daylight, maybe we'll walk everybody around the rest of it, show them the side doors and stuff. Show them the inside stuff while we got a little daylight.
But that's pretty much it.
So you have the extra cooler in here, but then you got the whole fridge set up on the side as well.
Yeah. So if you come around the side, you have your door, the main door, so you don't have to have that ramp down. I rarely use that ramp, but you've got a door. You got your window with a screen. They both slide back. You got some cubbies, which Mike pointed out earlier. Some cubbies. You have your Bluetooth stereo along with your control panel in that black box there. Couple storage, netting storage areas. One here, one up against this wall. The whole interior is carpeted, so you can actually just, if you got Velcro, you can Velcro everything.
And you got the fan and the AC up top.
You got the fan, AC, heat strip. You have a cable hookup. You also have 2 vents, and you have 2 electrical outlets. One in the rear, up against this wall here, and then one up front. It may be covered up. It's like down in the corner.
Down. Oh yeah, there's it right there.
And then you've got lights on the outside that covers the rear and the passenger side, which is over here. And then you have 2 sets of lights on the inside. Just night lights.
And then does it come with the 270 awning, or did you add that?
No, it comes with the 270. As you can see, the bag is busted. But it comes with 270 awning.
She's been used. We'll say that.
I guess we could say that. It comes with the 270 awning and the roof rack, which is the roof rack is actually made in-house by Intech. So that's their design. Haven't had any problems with the roof racks. And then this, initially in the earlier models, you didn't have this unlocking latch here, the security latch. They start putting them on in 2021 because the previous model years, these things would slide out and come out while people were driving.
Seems like a bad idea.
Right. So you have your full kitchen. Let me turn my other lights on. Got your kitchen. Got your propane hook up here. A little area for your little storage area there for your seasoning. I have seasoning in there. Then you have more storage area for your cooking supplies or whatever you need to store. The big thing with this trailer is everything's aluminum. For the most part, pretty much everything is aluminum. Got an aluminum frame, super light. You got your 2-burner Coleman stove here. There is some not defects, but because the burners are really small, they just don't work with regular pots and pans. So I actually use a griddle to put on top. Works out just fine. And then you actually have a table. Got your table. And what that does is it sets up over here.
I think that's a great extra. That extra counter space.
Yep.
Is amazing.
And then they've got the Dometic, opens up both ways.
Was that a 65?
I think it's a 65. That's what it comes
I think it's about right.
with. So you got that table, storage utility box here, and then on the other side you have your battery storage area, along with the other side of your control panel.